To understand the story of GloFlow, it's important to start before Lean Launchpad. We were a group of students in Stanford Machine Learning Group working on AI problems in healthcare, and pathology was a space that caught our eye. We saw that there was a global shortage of pathologists and a rising demand due to the increasing number of cancer cases. We thought the solution was to build AI to scale the ability of a pathologist. However, we came across a very unique problem in that AI needs digital slides, and less than 10% of the world's slides were digitized. So we had a mission, which was to enable a world with widespread digital pathology. We took the opposite approach to Lean Launchpad, and we built technology to make slide digitization extremely cheap, because we had a hypothesis that slide scanners were too expensive for hospitals and many other academic centers to purchase. So we wrote a paper and we demonstrated our technology on being able to stitch together whole slide images. However, after talking to people after building the technology, we found out that this cost of the slide scanner was not really the bottleneck to digitization. In fact, it was that storage was also an issue. And digging into it a bit further, we saw that it wasn't really useful for a pathology lab because if they all sat next to each other, there was no need to have a digital image and they could just share a microscope. So we changed our mission to increase the utility of digital pathology. So we went all the way from addressing global pathology shortages with AI to an AI augmented consultation platform for pathology. We had a hypothesis that building a platform for sharing digital consults would increase the utility of digital pathology. And we had three sets of value props here, which is making it more convenient and fast for pathology labs to send slides, to increase the revenue at academic hospitals, and finally, why we got into this space in the first place, which was to use AI. We thought the minute we got into Lean Launchpad with this idea, we could commercialize it and find customers. And boy, how wrong were we.